Let's begin with one of the quickest and most effective ways to relax your body and simultaneously become more alert. At first, you're going to think it's odd or silly, but I'm happy to send you the 42 research studies that prove that yawning, yes, yawning, may be one of the healthiest things you can do for your brain. And all you need to do for the next 60 seconds is to yawn 10 times, even if you don't feel like it. You can do this sitting down, but for this exercise, I recommend that you stand up because standing allows you to achieve a fuller inhalation. If you feel dizzy or lightheaded, stop yawning and sit down to rest. Now, take a deep breath and stretch your mouth wide open. And as you breathe out, make a sighing sound out loud. Don't worry if you don't feel like yawning or don't believe you can. Just use your memory and fake a series of yawns. Yawning is contagious, so just the sounds of my own yawns should trigger a real one by your 5th or 6th attempt. Here comes yawn number 1. And number 2. Number 3. Each one brings you closer and closer to a real and natural yawn. That's number 4. Number 5. Six. Seven. Don't be surprised if your eyes begin to water or your nose begins to run. That's part of the relaxation process. And now one more yawn. Now, notice how relaxed and awake you feel. If you feel tired, I suggest that you were just becoming aware of how tense you previously were. And if you've been particularly stressed or anxious, you might find yourself yawning a great deal over the next half hour, or even throughout the day. So enjoy the yawns, because they really, really feel good.